PGR VGR long le long aron ripen ki du tumaphan ni kre phongbong ki pachitirek toya hukumalo ki damtang jakhong ni phai kri siarni dongka revenue circle pen paklang bonta jakhong ni phai kri hiniari khironi mate phelangpi PGR VGR ang kangaru ki du Sanjoy Bhagot Rama Prasad Chauhan pen bang ko rahinia tum Guwahati High Court long pen ketharle ahut doning ko rahinia phan pajok ponangji mate stay order chivan detlu bangso jok Facebook social media long pinang lam klanglu bangso buthak patumi Carbon Thomas Council CM amethang ma chithur plutsi PGR VGR ang kangalu muniratum rit ke klemadim humri damsi benar hai hui tardamlu lapen government long leki pajok ja phan pangdak pondu lasi imithang bong Kacheputot kachekhamkhe phanmute kosonsi ketharle asai kepachunji abidi sore kachipi penchenglok kacherap dunsi keme athe ketharle je phan Carbon Thomas Council tum kengkamisi chejor tanglu lapen bangso ketharle chumvek jipu ningkithe do pusi ASDC youth forum phu premson bepen jakhong ni phain ko ratrogani ASDC tiri pisai hemalong phirangkia mai kangnya hut lamthi chipaklang pong
not fact. Once a Supreme Court has made a verdict, a decision, how the lower courts will be able to give a stay order. So this is what we want to say. So anybody who has seen, because Supreme Court is the biggest, the most powerful courts in the country. So once Supreme Court has made a decision, why the lower courts will take that? So this is no bogus about that. This is very straightforward. And accordingly, the Carbon Thomas Council has started eviction process since yesterday. Right there at the ground. The notice was served on the 21st of February and yesterday was action. On the 5th July, the High Power Committee meeting had there at the Taralangsu, and within 15 days from that particular day, the eviction process will start. So by 20, it passed 15 days. At 25th, yesterday we see that accordingly, that has been going on smoothly.
Lale penap tumi le lale ki jut koi bukali ke bang jilang apor hosutame labang so PGR VGR long le long bangke lake eviction bangke lake continue dopo la penteladak ideha katum kipu bangalehan lo je bang don ko ra hini atum bang stay order che bande pulo lale metar kali ke damtang ahor Supreme Court pen kupis order pe mala so khala so tem pen plote la lower level la so court tum la bang so stay order ki pi dho pu bang la ke mane akam se theu ele la se non itum labangso Carbon Autonomous Council pen labangso eviction ke cheng lo pose labangso ke cheng long eli tum ke cherap dun nahi bang ke nang so la se nitum KSA SDC KNC pen dang lok Carbon long asong doan party doan utam individual doan atum stame Carbon long kadu ko be aras tame non labangso eviction long an so se ke cherap dun phanse nitum KSA SDC KNC hen pen ke chuneri
news report Carbon Long live